If you want the strongest way to frame a corner in carpentry, nailing down the right technique is key to making it sturdy and drywall friendly. So first off, go for that 3-stud corner setup. It gives you way more solid support than just 2 studs meeting because you get a thicker corner to work with. Next, slap on some nailers or backing. Basically, extra pieces of wood between studs to give drywall something to grab onto when you screw it in. Make sure to stagger your studs. This helps with insulation and stops things from shifting over time. When you're putting the plates together, tie them tight so the whole frame acts like one solid piece, not a bunch of loose bits. Always double check that everything is plumb and square before moving on, since even a small angle off can mess up how your drywall sits. Use a carpenter's square and level to keep things straight. Finally, don't rush. Taking your time here prevents headaches later with cracks or weak spots. One of the biggest mistakes people make with framing corners is using just 2 studs instead of 3, which leads to a weak corner that won't hold drywall well. To fix this by always adding that 3rd stud. Another common issue is forgetting to install nailers or backing, so drywall screws don't have enough grip, causing the drywall to pop out or crack. Just add those extra boards between studs for better support. The third is not checking for plumb and square, meaning your corner ends up crooked and tough to finish nicely. Grab your level and square before you nail anything down to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com is a lifesaver if you're looking to find local carpenters who know their stuff and won't mess up your framing. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with homeowners who need reliable pros for their big home jobs.